this chapter is dedicated to materials. The different type of materials that we are going to use in the construction of boats, in the reparation of boats. Yes, this is critical because the selection of the materials is vital in the construction and reparation of boats. A wrong decision about a material selected can destroy the boat. The atomic number refers to that number, the number of electrons. Okay, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? For example, barium. Barium have 5 electrons in total. Ah, nice. Or 5 protons in total. What about aluminum? Aluminum have 13 electrons in total or 13 protons in total. Those lines, the horizontal lines, are the periods. Each row is called a period. All the elements in a period have the same amount of orbits. What is the meaning of that? The elements located here and here, hydrogen and helium, they have only one orbit. The elements located in the second one, this, they have 2 orbits. According with this is the amount of orbits. That important concept is about the electronegativity. What is the meaning of electronegativity? But I want that you understand the electronegativity in a simple way. Exactly like I want in all my books, in all my courses, that you understand in a simple way. No complicated way, simple. Because if you want to be an engineer, you need to be practical, simple. Okay, my friends. Suppose this situation. You have a mom with 1 kid. A mom with 1 kid in the mall, in the supermarket, with only 1 kid. It's easy for the mom, eh? I want ice cream, okay? No ice cream for today, bye-bye, tata. It's simple, administrate 1 kid. What about the same mom with 2 kids in the mall? The elements located in the groups numbers 5, 6, and 7 in this corner, those elements have too much energy. High level of energy. And the elements located in the groups 1 and 2, especially in the bottom, those elements have low level of energy. Where you found that high concentration of fluorine? In the cans with the sprays, like paint in a spray, deodorants in a spray. All the sprays, they have too much fluorine because the fluorine have the ability to pressurize. The manufacturer use fluorine to pressurize the liquid to be sprayed. For that reason, the rest of the countries, they say, please don't use sprays. Don't use deodorant in a spray. Use deodorant in bar or in ball. Avoid sprays because when you apply the nozzle on the spray, you release fluorine into the environment. And that fluorine, with only 7 electrons in the last orbit, try to get the additional electron from the oxygen. Destroy the oxygen, the O2, and attack everything. This is not good for the environment. In the aerosols, you found a lot of fluorine, and also in the refrigerant of the air-conditioned equipment. The formula for the refrigerant is this. This is the formula. Fluorocarbons, fluorine, a lot of fluorine. For that reason, recover the refrigerant in air-conditioned equipment is a special process, is a special procedure. We are going to study that procedure in detail in our book of air-conditioned systems.